Hey, welcome back, Gadget Squad. Today we're back with another hidden camera video. This time, we have it disguised as a USB charging box. I really like the creativity behind these cameras, but let's dive into it because it's not about me. As you can see from the get, it looks like an ordinary charging box. It has speakers on both sides, which enhances the sound quality. Skedaddling along, it comes with a USB cable, a flash drive for storage, a pin, a manual with a complete step-by-step guide, and a built-in 64 SD card. There is no setup required, just plug it into the outlet, a power bank, or a USB port, and the camera will start recording immediately, no waiting. Go ahead and take off the protective film and carefully pop off the lens cover. You could use the pin included or your fingernails. After removing the lens cap, you have all these really cool specs. You can't really see the reset button, but it is above the infrared light switch. You'll turn it to the right to turn it on, and back to the left to turn it off. The 64GB SD card is already built in, so no need to buy one. Then beneath it is the LED light that flashes when it's plugged in. And of course in the middle, you have the camera lens. The biggest feature on the hidden camera is the upgraded night vision. It has 6 f5 infrared lights as auxiliary lights for wider taking. The cool part is that the infrared lights are not visible when shooting. Okay, we're gonna close it up. Align the cover with the box and close it once you hear the click. Check this out. Next, we're gonna walk through the time and date setup along with the recording types. So just go ahead and plug it into your computer. All right. And we see it appeared here, flash device. So we're gonna double click on that, get that open. And it's gonna give us two options, the time text file and then the video folder. But we wanna double click the time text file. So here, I'll read the values. Once again, this is the year, this is the month, this is the day. And we have here military time, we have the hour of the day, minutes, seconds. The Y just represents that you want the time to show. The A represents ordinary recording. And the B will represent motion detection. So that's basically it. For motion detection, you'll leave it in under B. For ordinary, you'll switch it right back to A. There it is, and we're gonna back out of there. Okay.